people want to start making money online through writing, but they usually get stuck on one simple question: where do I even begin? Because the truth is, there are many platforms out there, but not all of them work the same way, and not all of them are beginner friendly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 websites where people can start practicing and exploring writing online opportunities. Some are great for learning, some are good for building experience, and some are used by freelancers who want to connect with clients. And stay to the very end, because I'll also point out which platform beginners usually find easier to start with and how people typically move from practice to real opportunities. So yeah, let's get right into it. Before we jump in, it helps to understand something very important. Writing online is not just one type of activity. It can include writing articles, creating blog posts, writing on freelance projects, writing for websites or businesses, or publishing personal content. Different platforms serve different purposes, and that's why it's useful to know how each one works before choosing. So yeah, let's go step by step. And the number 1 platform in today's list is Medium. Medium is a platform where people publish articles and share ideas with a global audience. Writers use it to publish personal stories, share knowledge or experiences, build consistency in writing. Some writers also explore Medium's partner feature where available, but results vary depending on many factors like engagement and readership. For beginners, it's mainly useful for practicing writing, improving clarity, building confidence in publishing. And one interesting thing here is that you're writing for real readers, not just practice exercises. And then moving to the second platform in today's list is Upwork. Upwork is a freelance platform where clients post writing related jobs. This can include blog writing, website content, article writing, script writing, and basically in this particular platform, writers create their profile and submit proposals to jobs they're interested in. You're not the one looking for people to actually pick you. Rather, there are people on this platform that are already looking for people like you that can help them write for them. Okay, so one very important thing to understand is that this particular website is a competitive space. So for most beginners, you need to start with smaller projects while building your profile and experience. The key focus here is learning how to present your skills clearly when applying. And then moving to the third platform in today's list is the popular Fiverr. In this particular platform, instead of you applying for jobs, you create service listings called gigs. For example, you can say, I will help you write your blog post, I will help you create website content, I will help you write short scripts for your business. Clients then find and order your services. What makes Fiverr interesting is that presentation matters a lot. How you describe your service and how clear your offer is can influence visibility for your service. It's often used by beginners as a place to start practicing and also a place to offer services and also handle client requests. And then moving to the fourth platform in today's list is Textbroker. Textbroker is a platform where writers receive assigned writing tasks based on their quality rating. The process usually involves signing up, submitting a writing sample, receiving a rating, getting access to writing assignments. It's structured and guided, which makes it easier for beginners to understand how online writing tasks work. The focus here is following instructions carefully and improving over time. And very important, you also need to be very consistent here in this platform, like every other platform. And then moving to the fifth platform for today's video is Iwriter. Iwriter allows writers to pick available writing tasks and submit completed work for approval. The workflow here is quite simple. You choose a topic, you write based on instructions, and then you submit for review. Different tasks may have different requirements, so attention to detail is very important here. Many beginners use this platform to get familiar with structured writing tasks and client expectations. And then moving to the sixth platform in today's list is Problogger job board. This is actually a job board where companies post writing opportunities. These opportunities may include blog writing, content creation, editing, SEO writing task. Unlike freelance marketplace, this is more of a direct job listing platform. Applicants usually submit their portfolio or writing samples when applying. This platform is often used by writers who are moving from practice to more professional opportunities. And then the final website in today's list is Freelancer.com. This is actually another freelance marketplace that allows users to bid on writing projects posted by clients. It's quite similar to Upwork. Writers submit proposals explaining their approach, relevant skills, and why they're suitable for a particular task. Projects can range from short articles to longer content writing tasks. Like other platforms, consistency and clear communication play a big role in improving your chances over time. Now, let's make everything practical, because knowing the platforms is one thing, but actually getting started is where most people get stuck. So here's a simple way to approach it. The first thing you want to do is you want to ensure you're not trying to join all the 7 at once. Most beginners make progress faster when they focus on just one platform. For example, you can decide to start with Upwork, Fiverr, or in fact just Textbroker. This helps you understand how writing tasks actually work without feeling overwhelmed. The next thing you want to do before applying for anything is to practice writing short articles, rewriting sample blog posts, or creating simple topics like lifestyle, business, or tips. This builds confidence and helps you understand structure. You don't need perfection, you just need clarity and consistency. Now, on most platforms, you need something like a profile description or writing samples. This is where you show what you can do. Even 2 to 3 simple writing samples can be enough to start. Now, also, depending on the platform you're deciding to start with, on freelance sites, you apply to jobs, on marketplaces, you offer services, on writing platforms, you pick available tasks. At the beginning, focus more on learning how the system works than expecting perfect results immediately. Now, very important, which is actually one of the most important thing in this particular video, is how the earnings work. Let me be very clear about writing income, okay? It depends on the platform you select. It also depends on the type of work you do, your experience level, and your consistency. Some people start with small tasks and gradually improve over time as they gain more confidence and better reviews or rating. It's not instant, but it's a skill-based thing that actually grows your wealth over time, meaning your improvements can influence your opportunities over time. One thing most successful beginners do differently is they don't focus on big results immediately. Rather, they focus on learning how to write better and understand clients' needs. And that's what slowly opens up for better opportunities over time. Across all these 7 platforms I've mentioned, one thing becomes very clear, and that is writing online is a skill-based activity that improves your practice and experience. Most people start by exploring, learning how platform works, and gradually improving their writing and communication skills over time, and finally start aiming towards earning from these particular platforms. The key is consistency and willingness to improve step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to support the channel by liking and subscribing for more content like this based on online skills and digital opportunities. And if you want, I can also show you how to create your first writing portfolio, how to get your first writing opportunity, or how beginners structure their first freelance profile. Just let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.